Rick Ross made headlines when he purchased Georgia's largest mansion, which had 109 rooms. Let's take a look inside Rick Ross's stunning estate. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more intriguing videos like this, and be sure to watch this video to the end. Therefore, anytime we upload a new video, you will be notified so that you won't miss out on interesting videos from us. Let's begin, without further ado. After graduating from Albany State University, William Leonard Roberts Ihu, better known as rapper Rick Ross, worked as a correctional officer for nearly 2 years before quitting to pursue music. While he initially went by the name Teflon Don, he later changed it to Rick Ross in honor of drug lord Freeway Rick Ross. He became a sought-after rapper after releasing his single Hustlin', with multiple record labels attempting to sign him until he signed a multi-million-dollar deal with Def Jam Records' J label. Z's first album debuted at number 1, and the rest is history, with tens of millions of singles and albums sold. Rick Ross' net worth today is $55 million, making him one of the highest-paid rappers in the world. Rick Ross, in addition to owning a fleet of automobiles, enjoys spending his fortune on real estate. He has purchased several expensive properties in Florida and Georgia over the last 2 decades. His most expensive residence is a $5.8 million Georgia estate he purchased from boxer Evander Holyfield, which has 109 rooms. During the peak of his career in the 1980s, Evander Holyfield was an undisputed cruiserweight champion with a net worth of over $350 million. The former boxer retired to spend time with his family after a string of losses and dwindling ventures. His Georgia mansion, one of his most valuable properties, required a lot of upkeep. However, due to missed payments, the home was put up for auction due to foreclosure because it was expensive to maintain, costing $1 million per year according to The Sun. The mansion was listed for $8.2 million after Holyfield sold it to a bank for $7.5 million. Nonetheless, the starting bid at the auction was $2.5 million, with Ross eventually paying $5.8 million for it. The property, which is located in Fayetteville County, Georgia, was built in 1994. The mansion is 45,000 square feet in size and spans a whopping 235 acres. The magnificent home has a white stone exterior with moldings and a large fountain in the driveway. All eyes are drawn to the sweeping double-winding dramatic stairway that leads to the rooms upstairs upon entry. There are 12 bedrooms and 21 bathrooms among the 109 rooms. While the home has spacious bedrooms, it is the recreational rooms throughout the estate that truly set it apart. According to the Bleacher Report, the mansion has a 100-person dining room, a movie theater, and even a bowling alley. The house also has 3 pools, an outdoor pool, an indoor pool, and a hot tub. The large outdoor pool is ideal for hosting pool parties. Filling its area requires 350,000 gallons of water. The electrical costs for the massive home are estimated to be around $17,000. Rick Ross Mansion exudes luxury and has been the ideal location for filming. 2 films have been shot on the property in recent years: Superfly by Director X in 2018, and the 2021 romantic comedy Coming to America starring Eddie Murphy. Many rooms on the property were transformed to provide a suitable setting for the latter film, which was released as a sequel. According to the cheat sheet, renting out the property benefited Ross because he made a tidy profit and appeared in the film. Furthermore, while filming, the production team changed the wallpaper in his dining room and even built a dining table that could seat 50 people, which Ross chose to keep. Rick Ross Mansion also included a separate boxing gym for Evander Holyfield to practice in, to meet the needs of the previous owner. The property also includes a 7-stall barn, a recording studio, a baseball field with lights and a scoreboard, and a detached guest house. With its superior features and recreational rooms, the property has become a prime example of Georgia real estate. Ross cars, which include a Rolls-Royce Phantom Drawfed Coupe, a Lamborghini Murcielago, 2 Mercedes-Benz cars, and a Ferrari 458 Italia, have plenty of room in the massive garage. Rick Ross has previously owned several properties in addition to the stunning mansion. He paid $5.2 million for a waterfront mansion in Fort Lauderdale with 8 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms in 2012. According to Celebrity Net Worth, after purchasing the Georgia mansion, he listed it for sale and sold it for $6 million in 2016. Rick Ross struck gold when he purchased the palatial estate for only $5.8 million, given the location and amenities on offer. In 2020, he spent $1 million to purchase a property adjacent to the Georgia mansion, which he dubbed the Promised Land. He has a total acreage of 322 acres when all of his houses are combined. With that being said, that's all for today. Thank you for spending some time with us. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to get access to more interesting videos from us. Till next time.